Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching my videos. Today I am going to make mutton curry. Just simple, like we make every day, this time also, but in a different way. So over here I have taken 1.5 kilo mutton. The masalas which I am going to use, this is green chili, red dry chilies, dhania, jeera, black pepper and khara garam masala. All this I am going to grind, and ginger garlic. This also I will grind. I have taken onions here about 1 kilo. This also is cut up and kept over here. So while making the recipe, I will show you the ingredients which I am going to use. So I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start the recipe. Today but the mutton curry will be very differently made. Friends, to make the mutton curry, I will put some mustard oil. Friends, I have taken some jeera, 2 red dry chilies and bay leaves. This I will put in. The oil is turned hot. Now I will put in the bay leaves first. Then put in the dry red chili and jeera. Put in the ginger garlic paste. Put in the dhania, jeera, black pepper, garam masala paste and chilies. Put some turmeric powder. I will let the masalas fry. The mutton is put in with the masala. Now I will put in the onions. Put in the salt. Friends, now I will cover it up. Let it cook now. This will cook now and the meat also will fry in it. Friends, now I'll mix the onion along with the mutton. Friends, I have mixed up the onions along with the mutton. You can see the water coming out from the mutton now. This will dry up. Then I will do the next step. Friends, you can see still the water is coming out from the mutton. And mutton takes long to cook also. There was so much of onions put in it. Now you cannot see one onion also. All the onions are cooked up. Now I will fry the meat now nicely, properly. Friends, the mutton is getting fried along with the masala. Masala is fully fried up with the mutton. You can see how nice it's looking, how delicious, how yummy it's looking. Now I will put the tomato and the dhania patti. Today I am going to use meat masala. Friends, I'll put the tomatoes I've cut up and kept here. Some dhania patti also. This also I will put in. Now I will put some warm water. Friends, last of all I will put the meat masala. Friends, today also the mutton curry will be very delicious and tasty, yummy, and it will be spicy also. I hope you all will like it. Now I'll let this mutton cook and then I will take it down. Friends, my mutton curry is ready. Today I will keep gravy. The mutton is cooked up tender. Friends, you all should try to make it like this, like me. It will be very tasty also. Today is mutton curry also. Like this also we make all the time. Thanks for watching my video.